Job's name.
Hairdresser.
A hairdresser cuts, styles, and colors hair.
Carpenter.
A carpenter builds and repairs wooden structures and furniture.
Chef.
A chef prepares and cooks meals.
Cobbler.
A cobbler mends our shoes.
Surgeon.
A surgeon performs operations.
Electrician.
An electrician installs and repairs electrical systems.
Farmer.
A farmer grows crops.
Firefighter.
A firefighter responds to fires and emergencies.
Gardener.
A gardener plants, grows, and takes care of plants and flowers.
Fisherman.
A fisherman catches fish for food or sale.
Judge.
A judge presides over court cases and makes legal decisions.
Eviction upheld.
But Your Honor,
Did you see me bang the gavel?
Milkman.
A milkman delivers fresh milk to homes and businesses.
Police officer.
Police officer enforces laws and maintains public order.
Postman.
A postman brings letters to us.
Potter.
A potter shapes and creates pottery items from clay.
Shepherd.
A shepherd herds and cares for sheep.
Soldier.
A soldier defends their country and follows military orders.
Teacher.
A teacher educates students on various subjects.
Construction worker.
A construction worker builds and repairs structures.
Singer.
A singer performs songs for an audience.
Accountant.
An accountant manages financial records and statements.
Astronaut.
An astronaut travels to and works in space.
Soccer player.
A soccer player competes in matches by playing soccer.
Detective.
A detective investigates crimes.
Shoulder seams here move apart, and the way he's lying so straight like this in his shoe.
Doctor.
A doctor diagnoses and treats illnesses.
Plumber.
A plumber fixes and maintains water pipes and fixtures.
Mason.
A mason builds our house.
Scientist.
A scientist conducts research and experiments.
Thief.
A thief steals property or money from others.
Forklift operator.
A forklift operator moves and stacks materials using a forklift.
Nurse.
Nurse provides medical care and support to patients.
Joe, not for him.
Notice any heaviness in your legs the last couple days?
Why isn't it good news for you?
Because if there's nothing wrong with you, he gets fired.
Seriously?
Somewhat seriously. Yep.